Hey everybody, this is Austin with Bluff City Exteriors, and I'm here to answer the 5 most common questions we get from homeowners. The average project that we do takes about 2 weeks. That's generally about a week worth of siding and a week worth of repairs and paint. Your average window job is going to take 1 to 2 days depending upon the house. Some very large houses could take 3 to 4. However, 1 is very common. With roofing, 1 to 2 days is your most common. Same scenario as windows, you can end up in a 3 to 4 day window depending upon the size of the house. So depending upon the type of project you're talking about, windows generally run between $800 and $1,000 per window, which puts the average house, depending upon the number of windows you do, between $15,000 to $25,000. Your siding costs can range from $15,000 to $25,000 upwards to $35,000 or $45,000 depending upon the products and selections you use. So the debate about repair or replace is simply a mathematical formula. We're looking to determine how many boards need to be replaced in a repair scenario compared to how many boards are on the wall, and at what point we can come together and decide, is this worth saving or should we just go ahead and replace it? So that's just a conversation that we'll have with you when we're on site. Project management is a very important aspect of our company. You'll have a project manager who'll be on site. He'll be there at least 2 to 3 times a day for your updates and photographs. So you can always depend on him for quick updates, answers to your questions, or somebody that you can get in contact with who will be English speaking. With communication, we have a customer portal. All projects that come through Bluff City Exteriors are entered into the portal. Your project manager will be delivering you updates twice a day, as well as accompanying it with photographs for all the proper communications. You'll also have a group text message with your project manager and the production manager in the event there's an emergency situation and you need to get in contact with someone.